It really is, John. Very comfortable to kick off your Sunday morning. We told you Sunday was going to be the best weather day of the weekend. We're feeling that this morning as well. 63 Arcadia, 67 Fort Myers, 66 down in Naples, and 68 right now through Immokalee and LaBelle. Already, though, at 70 degrees closer to Lake Okeechobee. Humidity-wise, it's also comfortable outside with those dew points going to be in the low to mid 60s. As you take a step outside, we're dealing with a lot of dry air, and that is keeping us nice and dry. We had that front move through just a couple of days ago. It pulled in that dry air, which you can see it's the darker colors right here over southwest Florida, and a tad bit of that orange just to the south of us and off of the coast on the water vapor loop. So we're nice and dry here in southwest Florida, but you can see we're tracking a frontal system just to the north of us, bringing plenty of rainfall all the way through portions of Ohio, through the southeast, and through Texas. But we're not dealing with that right now, and as we head into the afternoon, passing clouds is the only thing we're tracking with our in-house model here. We're dry even as you kick off your Monday morning commute, staying that way through tomorrow afternoon and evening. Just a couple more passing clouds, and then by Tuesday we're not seeing much of a change in the forecast. Now, after that front moved through, it brought us very breezy conditions, which put us at an elevated fire danger risk. We're starting to see that wind subside today, coming out of the east-southeast, anywhere between 10-15 miles per hour, not nearly as gusty, and that's really helping us when it comes to the fact that we're in the midst of our dry season. Lee County is still going to be at a high risk for today, and the rest of southwest Florida at a moderate risk, but it's not nearly as elevated as what we saw yesterday. That's because when you have low humidity, high winds, and high temperatures, it elevates that fire danger risk. We're really getting rid of that wind element for today, and that's going to help us. Speaking of the wind, not too bad. So if you wanted to get out on the water, no current advisories, seas 1 to 2 feet, and a light chop on your inland waters. I do think the heat, though, is going to be the big weather headline for the next several days, and here is why. Average high in Fort Myers this time of the year is supposed to be 76 degrees, while the record for today of 87 degrees was set back in 1949. We're forecasting highs today 1 degree shy of that record. So we're forecasting a high of 86, Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, the same in Fort Myers. So there is that near record-breaking heat right there. The same through our inland areas with a high of 86 for Lehigh, Alva, and slightly warmer down in Collier County with a high of 88 in Immokalee, and the same over in Orange Tree. So a lot of people are wondering when we could see some relief from the heat. High pressure remains dominant for the next several days. We do have a low pressure system swing through Texas and bring a frontal system into our area by Friday. It really doesn't pull in a lot of cool, dry air, but it looks like we have a bigger dip in the jet stream by about Monday, and that pulls in the blue colors, which means we could have a little relief, but there's still a lot of time between now and then where we're going to be tweaking those numbers. So here's what you need to know when it comes to the 7-day forecast. Sunny and breezy for today with a high of 86, mid 80s and mostly sunny as we head into the rest of your work week. Cloud coverage building in on Thursday ahead of that front. By Friday, we could see a couple of spotty showers, and then that front, though not a big rainmaker, not going to cool us down too much. We'll start to feel the relief from it, though, by Saturday with a high of 78.